What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to our print profit series where myself, Fred Lam, and
Michael Shih
will be hosting a series of videos on sharing with you how you can build a Shopify business making anywhere from $500 a day to 7 figures a year selling print-on-demand items. Now, if you love or watched any of our video series and you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, there's a link right below. Make sure you hit that big subscribe button so you get notification when I upload a brand new video training just for you guys. And at the same time, make sure you drop a like right below and leave me a comment so Michael and I can see if what we're providing you is of value and you guys obviously showing your appreciation to us on doing these videos for you. Alright, so now in this episode, I want to talk about the dark side of print on demand. Yep. We've been basically articulating this on the bright side, good side, fun side. And as you guys all know, I'm a transparent, open guy. I don't hold anything back. I just share whatever I know because I never want any of you guys to get in trouble or get in shit. That is not my intention. My intention is to give you guys the right infrastructure, right mindset, right vehicle to achieve whatever your goal is set into. And with that being said, in print-on-demand business, there is a very lucrative, I have to use that word, lucrative and dark side to it. And if you actually walk down that path, you are going to get into some serious trouble. And I actually have Michael with me because he's seen that before. He's seen people going through that path and really affect them. And today, Michael and I wanted to share more of that with you guys so you are basically prepared and armed and really go down to the right path and not go down to the wrong path inside your print-on-demand business. So with that, I'm not sure if you guys can guess what it is, but I'm pretty sure Michael knows what it is. Yeah. What do you think is the number one dark side to print-on-demand?
The number one dark side of print-on-demand is selling trademark items or trademark phrases. And it's really important for you to know where to do your research and avoid any situations where you're infringing other people's trademark.
So obviously trademarks as in like sports team is a trademark, right?
Sports team logos or phrases that might be trademarked.
So even phrases are trademarked. So basically if someone were to use a phrase that is a tagline, let's say
live strong, that's a trademark.
Oh really? Live strong is actually a trademark.
Yeah.
Well, holy crap. That is something scary.
Or everyone knows just do it, that's by Nike.
Uh-huh.
And you don't want to use that slogan because that's trademark as well.
Uh-huh. So basically, if I were to take a step back, there's actually three sides, from what I know, that can potentially lead you into trouble. Number one is basically infringing like brand names, like like simply sports team, Marvel, Spider-Man, like all those other stuff, Disney, all those other stuff.
Louis Vuitton,
Gucci, Supreme. Where's your Supreme shirt?
Not today.
Not today. Supreme, etc. So do not do that. Now the second side is actually phrases. I am not really aware of that. So phrases is actually pretty massive, which is interesting. So if obviously just do it, it's by Nike. And I don't remember all the slogans. Or whatever slogan phrases. I guess those will screw you over. I think the third side is also going to be not big brands, but someone that actually is an artist. That actually drew something and it got shared online virally. And I think those three are very detrimental to your business if you actually have a design that is really infringing other people's work. Because I think the dollar number will be like pretty crazy. I don't think you're just going to get a cease and desist, especially at the fact that you're doing really big. It's going to kill you, literally. It can get you bankrupt right away. So now, given the fact that now the audience know that there's a dark side, obviously why I was saying that this is a lucrative side is because it's a no-brainer. If you use Facebook ads to target people that like Minions and you have a Minion on your t-shirt or your bag, it will sell. It'll just sell by itself. You don't even need to write the right copy. But do not do that. It can be lucrative. It can be a lot of freaking money, but it can cost you more money than what you make if basically Pixar decides to actually go after you and really have a big impact towards your business.
Right. So if lightly they can give you a letter telling you to take it down, and more seriously, you can land yourself in court. Or another side is you might lose your ad account because someone reported you using that trademark item.
Oh wow, I don't think anyone would want to get their ad account lost by Facebook, because that's like the bread and butter for everything right now. You're like losing the actual fries, not even the gravy, you're losing the fries right now. So now with that, let me ask you this question then. If I'm a total noob, how would I know that I am infringing something? What are the steps that I should take to make sure that I am being on the cleaner side?
Right. So the first thing is, when you do your research, just don't blatantly take that design and use it. So that's one thing. And to do research, there are a few websites you can go to search the different terms to make sure there's not trademark. And one being uspto.gov, and you can just type in Live Strong and see if the trademark is active or not. Now that's one site. Another site to go is pretty good is Trademarkia. Trademarkia is similar to USPTO, is just a more advanced site. Either one works, but once you see that the trademark is active, definitely don't use it.
Pretty interesting stuff. Well, one tip that I have for you guys is also when you are doing any research on Google, there's under images, there's actually an advanced settings where it can be marked as used for commercial use, which is very important. You don't want to randomly take a picture of Google, because that will seriously get you into big ass trouble if that's the realm of things. So guys, again, we're just wanting to give you the right path. We're just wanting to set you the right stage. We don't want you to basically go to the dark side, because you are going to really affect your business, and not just yourself, but it will affect your family too, because getting into court, getting these cease and desist, losing your ad account where your business is going to be gone, it's going to be pretty big of an impact. So guys, again, the reason why I have Michael here sharing that with you is because I don't want to see that happening in your life. We want to help you and inspire you and give you the right vehicle, the right path, the right knowledge in order for you to actually crush it online. You don't have to sell trademark. At the same time, you don't need to sell trademark to easily make 6 or 7 figures a year with print on demand with Shopify. And again, guys, if you love any of our videos, you love the concept, or not the concept, you love the business model of print on demand, you want to start a print on demand business, and you want to create your own designs and really create your own brand, Michael and I are hosting a free workshop. The details are right below in the video description. Make sure you secure your seat for our free workshop. It is going to be the quick blueprint on sharing with you guys exactly what you need to do to build your print-on-demand business, and also giving you case studies and everything you need in order for you to get started. All right. So other than that, I hope that you guys seriously think through when you are going through the design process to make sure that it doesn't infringe any copyright. Okay. I don't want any of you guys to get in trouble. Other than that, listen. Make sure, if you love our video content, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the big button below. And right in the video description, there's also Michael's video YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel too. He will be releasing a lot of amazing videos for you guys. And other than that, last thing, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, get all my updates and behind the scenes and the latest updates of all my video training. As you guys can see, we have a big studio now. I'm going to be doing a lot of video content to share with every single one of you. All right. So for those of you that are registering right now, that are serious about building your print-on-demand business, Michael and I look forward on seeing you in our free workshop. And again, continue to stay tuned into our channel. Our print profit series will continue. We will be dropping more videos out to help you guys with your print-on-demand business. All right. Other than that, listen. Put a comment below, show your appreciation to Michael. I know that for the past 7 videos, I've been grilling him. I've been sounding like I'm a newbie. I purposely do it only because I want you guys to get the most out of Michael. I want you guys to be armed with the knowledge that you need, and I want to share all these with every single one of you. All right, any last minute words, Michael?
Again, take action, and I'll see you in the next video.
Awesome. I'll see you guys then.